Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has announced this preliminary squad for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Here are the players that Hugo Broos has called: Ronwen Williams, Ricardo Goss, Sipho Chain, Brandon Peterson, Kudiso Mudau, Olwethu Makhanya, Brakely Cross, Thabiso Monyane, Thabang Matiludi, Kosnathi Sibisi, Aubrey Mudiba, Khulumani Ndamane, Ime Ocon, Samkele Kabini, Bekezeli Mbokazi, Teboho Mokoena, Jayden Adams, Brooklyn Poggenpoel, Lebohang Maboe, Talente Mbatha, Pepelo Sithole, Ozwina Police, Tshepang Moremi, Evidence Mahopa, Lyle Foster, Ikrem Reynolds, Relebohile Mofokeng, Themba Zwane, Patrick Maswangani, Kamogelo Sibilebile, Thapelo Morena, and Thapelo Maseko. Those are players that Hugo Broos has called to his squad. And there are 10 high-profile players who have missed out on this squad. Here are the players: Thembinkosi Lorch and Gift Links. These were expected after Hugo Broos had explained that he didn't see them as part of his plans. Even though Lorch had an impressive campaign, even writing headlines at the FIFA Club World Cup and Wydad Athletic before moving to Rulanis Al Ittihad in Libya, still Hugo Broos didn't call him. Meanwhile, Gift Links, who has helped Ajax to win their first Danish title in 40 years, he has even been nominated for the Player of the Season. Still, Hugo Broos didn't call him. And the Mamelodi Sundowns defender Keanu Cupido and Grant Kekana also didn't make the selection despite loud calls from their club coach Miguel Cardoso. And another surprising exclusion is Mohau Nkoda, who appeared to be a nailed-on member of the squad a year ago, has somewhat faded due to his performances at Al Ettifaq in Saudi Arabia. And Siyabonga Ngezana, who has troubles with injury, has been left behind. He has lost his spot in the FCSB lineup, with the club stating that he refused to undergo surgery in order for him to have a shot at the World Cup. Now he didn't have a surgery, and he has also missed out on the World Cup spot. And Bongoko Hlongwane, it seems like he didn't impress last time he was called in March. Meanwhile, Sipho Mbule's lack of game time seems to have ended his chances. And Elias Mukwana and also Percy Tau, they didn't make the squad for the African Cup of Nations, and now they've been left out. And when it comes to Percy Tau, it doesn't surprise us anymore that he's not called. It's been a while since he last got a call-up to the Bafana squad. So yeah, those are 10 players who missed out: Percy Tau, Elias Mukwana, Sipho Mbule, Bongokuhle Hlongwane, Siyabonga Ngezana, Mohau Nkoda, Keanu Cupido, Grant Kekana, Gift Links, and Thembinkosi Lorch. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this list that has been announced? Are you happy with the players in the squad? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section below.